Okay, y'all, so this is my same install from iShow. Let me tell y'all, this hair is bomb. I just got up, it's a little tangled, but the hair is like really silky straight, especially whenever, like, if I just want to comb it out and run out the door, it's good. But I can run the flat iron through and it'll be even better. So this is that same install. I haven't redid it or anything. I did touch up because, as y'all know, I did the method where I did not use any heats. And whenever you do that, the lace stays looking pretty clean. So, like, you know, whenever you use the blow dryer and you use gel and stuff, the lace can start to look nasty, and after about a week or so many days, you have to take it out and wash it and reinstall it because the lace is looking gunky and nasty. I have worked out in this wig twice, and I'm going to work out in it again today. And I'll probably wear this wig this week as well. This week is actually Thanksgiving, but I'm not sure when this video is going up. So I want to do my hair fresh for Thanksgiving, so I may wear this wig this week again and work out in it and stuff, unless I end up doing some of my other wig videos. But basically what I'm saying is, whenever you just spray it down, although it will lift up and you may have to go back in and respray it, it works if you're going to be wearing it longer, because the lace is not going to look all nasty and you don't have to take the wig off and wash it and redo it. So I just used the spray, tied it down, and that's how it looks. And as you can see, the lace still looks nice. It still looks clean. It doesn't look all nasty. So what I'm going to do today to switch it up a bit is just switch the parts and just do a different style with it. So let me get my comb and let's do it. I think the lace still looks good. Like I said, I have had to go in and relay the lace down. Of course, I have worked out in it and all of that. So, of course, you are going to get some lifting, but it didn't look crazy or anything. It's not like my wig came off at the gym or anything like that. And my trainer do not play. And the last time I went to the gym, which was last week, my last day, I was sweating a lot, like sweating a lot, and my wig was still on. I just pull it back in a ponytail, and I still had my swoop in and everything. So let's see. If we do a middle part, we are going to have to pluck some extra hair out. And if you can see, like, it's coming up. It's not down all the way right now at all, because this is an old install. It's been like a whole week. So yeah, I need to figure out how I want to do this part, and then we will relay her and reslay her without having to wash it, which is great whenever you need to save time and you just don't have time to do it. But if you use gel, this method is not the best, because the lace starts to be more detectable whenever it's dirty and it needs to be washed. So yeah, let me figure out how I want my part and I'll come right back. We have a middle part situation. As you can see, the part is not very visible. I haven't put any makeup on it, and I will probably have to pull some hairs out to make the part a little wider. So I'm just going to put a little bit of my wax stick on here. This is a Say Goodbye to Frizzy Hair stick from My First Wig, a flyaway tamer, but you could use a wax stick that you can get at a beauty supply store. Luster's has a good one, and I think there's one by like Care as well, but I'm just using up that one because I have it. So I'm just going to flatten out the parting area to get everything to start going the way that we want it to. And this side is going to be more flat already because we had the part on this side, as you guys know. So this side needs to really be flattened down because the part was going, like, this hair was going that way. And sorry if I kind of look a mess. My allergies were bothering me yesterday and last night, and I'm trying to just like let it go away naturally without taking medicine, because I do not like taking all that medicine all the time. So excuse me. And I'm probably not putting on makeup, because most days that I do the gym, I will use those as like my editing days. And this isn't my normal gym day, but since it is Thanksgiving this week, I had to change up my schedule a little bit. So yeah, let me just see, because I don't think this part is straight. I'm also gonna go in and pluck, because I feel like the sides was plucked a little better, like as far as doing the style that we had before. So I am going to thin this area out because we're doing a middle part, so we want the middle area to look good as well. So I'm just gonna thin this out. I do feel like the knots did not bleach as well in this area, like in the middle, so that's kind of why I did a side part the first time, but we will correct it with some makeup to make it look good. Now what I'm gonna do is just re-tack the wig down all over pretty much. Some spots are still down, like over here it's kind of still down, but it's okay. I'm just gonna go over every area and lay it back down. It may look a little white in some spots, but that is from me plucking and stuff like that, so it makes it look a little ashy, but it will go away. So I'm just gonna take my spray, respray it down, tie it down, and then we will finish off the style. And another thing is to clean off your nozzle so that you can get a precise spray where you want it to go, because it will fly everywhere if it is a little clogged up. So let me just clean this. Okay, so here I'm just spraying down the lace and everything like that, and then we're going to go in and tie it down just like we did in the first video. I will link it down below if you want to see more in depth like what I did in the first video. And I didn't show the baby hair process and all of that because I ended up changing them anyway. So I feel like it was kind of unnecessary to leave that clip in. But basically just tie it down after you spray it down, so that everything can mold into place, and don't blow dry it or anything, just let it sit. Okay, so it's pretty much down. You can see here the knots look bigger. I don't know, I feel like the knots are bigger in the center than they are on the sides, but you can see that it's pretty much laid down. The lace, we need to put some makeup on it and stuff like that, but I'm just gonna comb out these hairs, and then we can do baby hairs and whatnot, you know, if you want to. You don't have to, but yeah. This is pretty much the completed look of what I did with the hair. So I just did a middle part. I did move my baby hairs over to how I like to wear them, so I kind of moved them over and took out this space, like I didn't put it so close. And then this is how it looks. So you can see, and then I just kind of combed it down and tucked it behind my ear for this style. Or you can also pull it out and just wear it straight like this, which is cute as well, but I just pushed it behind my ear just for this type of look. So yeah, this is how I redid this wig without actually having to wash the lace or anything and change up the parting and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye dolls.